Hello there. It's Ed Merson 96 here for part 2 White Noise. I have my awesome people to help me out with this struggle. And here they are. Fucking... Oh no! Why is he still muted? I didn't mute him. I didn't. See? I didn't. I don't know what he's doing. It's not my fault. He's not involved. Okay, let's just play some fucking white noise. Let's just play some fucking white noise. Will it make you feel better? No. No, not at all. Okay. I have to download at least one fucking video today, and I'm getting that done. Hopefully under 10 minutes.
Hopefully.
You know why? Miss awesome people watching this video. Apparently, I have to go to the YouTube home, and I have to click to 16 more minutes. Ain't that retarded? But it's YouTube. Them people are awesome. They do that on purpose. Okay. We don't gotta read this shit because I wrote it the first time. I said wrote, I said read, I'm sorry. Oh, okay. That noise is still spooky. Sorry if my bro's listening to me to live right now. You might need to turn off your volume like, to about 10. Oh, should we play on hard mode like I said I was last time? No. Oh, you said no? Okay. I agree with you. Yeah, the regular mode's scary enough. I hear radio already. Where are you? I remember the last video I made. There's two ghosts that popped up in front of me. That wasn't enjoyable. They were so sexy though. God, the way they were wearing dresses with no faces. That's beautiful. That's picture art. Where are you, fucking beautiful recorder you? I can hear you. I hear you calling my name. There you are. And now it gets creepy. Why did I turn up the volume? Oh, just because. Oh, okay. We're not going that way. Oh, and now I'm choking. Off what? I don't know. God dang it, this game will spook you every time. I keep thinking he's in front of me. Oh, behind me. And I don't like that feeling. I really don't. I don't like jump scares. I don't. Oh, I see another radio in the distance. Run. Fucking run. Go. There you are. Number 2 out of 8. And why do I have hair in my mouth? They won't leave. God. Fucking. What was that one girl we were going to call the strong naked man? Oh, where? Where? You just make the noise just to fuck with me, don't you? Oh, okay. Alright. I'm looking around. Seems peaceful. Are you gonna turn around again, Nathan? No, of course not. I'm never gonna turn around again. Fuck that. Just turn around in front of this tree, that's a good idea. Okay, he's not behind me, so it might be in front of me. Okay, good, he's not. Oh, by the way, awesome people. I had 2 subscribers today. I had, first subscriber was Wish a Nigger Wood, and I know that name did not come out of my mouth. That is his game tag. Do not judge me. Am I racist? Are you calling me racist now? That's not me. That's not me. That's his gamer tag. That's not under my control. Just turn around slowly. Go around this rock. That'll be good. Okay, it's not there. Why do you keep backing up from the TV, Nathan? It's not me. Now you're choking. God. I'm about to start crying. Oh God. Oh, now you're done choking once you see him. Understandable. You have to get your throat ready for his freaking dick, don't you? Oh, fuck. God. Dang it, why? I took that from the Buskis. The Buskis is an awesome person to subscribe to. I didn't take his name. I didn't take his little joke he had. Nathan, straighten out your neck. Why is it so far away? I'm trying. My face won't go any more further from the TV. Okay, just act normal. Just act normal. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. Turn it back on the light!
Maintain yourself, Nathan, please.
Okay.
Please.
I do that.
Nathan, let me see your glasses. Maybe I can, what? You're recording?
Yes. I don't care. Just come into the video.
Right, hi, how you doing?
Oh, God.
Oh, there she is. Watch out.
Oh, God. Just turn around. Just turn around. You hear my mom? She's so beautiful. Oh, God. Did I just call my mom beautiful? Yes, I did. Is that weird at all? It kind of is. Oh, God. Oh! Okay, I hate this game. There's not going to be a part 3. There's not going to be a fucking part 3. Go to the damn door. First. Okay, he's not there no more. Alright, good. Just okay, just walk to it. Fine. I'll fucking walk to it. Turn off the light. Do you hear static? No, I don't. Oh, it's not in there! God! Why? Oh! I'm gonna die here. I'm gonna die here. I can already sense it. Okay, breathe. Look out the door. He's not there. My boner went away. Oh, his dick is so fucking big. Why? Why would you put that in the game? Why? Oh, he's gonna butt rape me. I already sense it. Oh, he's fucking fast. Oh, okay. Why was the light off? Why did I have the light off half the whole game? Oh, I'm so stupid. Okay, I'm stuck. Okay, just calm down. Just calm down. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. Hello? Oh, God, I thought you were talking to me. I'm fur balls. Are you talking to me? Oh. Okay, he's not there. Alright, good. Why? I only have three radios. I only have 3. And I've been playing this for probably about 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, just run now. Just fucking run. Just run as fast as you can. Why are you choking? Okay, I see a radio. Just don't look behind you. Just don't look fucking behind you. My heart is beating so fucking fast.
That's not odd at all.
Okay. I see a ghost. What do you want me to do? Follow you? Alright, let's dance. Let's fucking dance. I'll play some music.
Let's thing go.
Okay, why do you not have a face? I just went through you, girl. You like it, don't you? Okay, that was nice. That was... What the fuck is that? Why do I keep turning off my light when I see a ghost? Turn it back on. Oh, okay, I'm following you. Okay, I'm following... Don't go in between. Okay. My pleasure. I hear radio. That's water! God, why? That's fucking water! I was following the river. Oh. I'm gonna die. And I'm terrified. Oh, the radio's right there. Alright. I got 4. Motherfuckers. I got 4. Motherfuckers. I got 4. Okay. Why are you so strong? Why do you have big muscles? God, you need to go to the Marines, I swear. First, you gotta get eyes. Lose some teeth. You got way too many teeth. Oh, yes! Oh, yes, Senorita. Oh, yes. Oh, my God, these freaking mannequins. I don't know what you're doing, gal. I like it.
Don't put it on, because it makes you...
Oh my God. How long is this video? How long is this? Oh, okay.
8 minutes with Dane.
Yeah, just walk. Yeah, you just saw him. Just walk. Teeth.
Oh, nice phantom. I'll sound like that.
I hear radio. Ah!
Right.
Run! I don't even care about the radio. Just run. Now you're choking. He's not that close. Just breathe. Breathe with me. I can't even breathe. I'm sorry, bro. You got to figure it out yourself. Oh, you fuck. Alright. Alright. Everything's fine. Everything's fucking fine.
Let him kill everybody.
Everything's fine. There's just a lot of trees that look the same. That's the problem. Quit choking! Oh,
Guys coming after you, so kill him.
oh God. I wish this game was just over. Okay, found you, little bastard. Now I'm running! Just one more radio to tie my flipping last score. Wait, Nathan, you need to get 8! Shut up! I just need 5. Just need 5.
Fireball.
I just need 5. Oh, come on. Where am I going? I'm just so terrified I can't even remember. Just kill me. Okay, don't touch me. Don't touch my lovely lady love. Stop! Freaking where? Where would you be? Oh, of course. Freaking standing on it. Why are you floating? Now you're gone. God. You float every time. Okay. Just hide in the bushes. He won't know. Fucking hide in the haystack. Go. Run. Run.
Right.
Oh, okay. We're back to the road. We're just going in circles.
Fireball, stay to the left.
Ah!
Oh, no. Yeah.
Oh, that hurt so bad. What? I'm sweating. Oh my God. This is like the worst one.
Each get one.
Come on. There's not even any ghosts because they know I'm dead. What time?
Yeah, I played that Phase 3 yesterday.
I really just want to quit the game now. This is fucking too much. much.
You know it's true when he says it.
Oh, come on. Oh, come on. I'm freaking crying now. Stop crying. Oh. I'm stuck. What am I stuck on? Where is the next note?
That's mine.
Oh, I quit getting stuck.
That's it. Yeah.
Oh, come on. It's just a ghost. Why would you flicker for that? Just where? There you are. I think I missed it. Where are you? There you are. Now run. Run, okay, got 5 notes. Okay, I got 5 radios. Why did I say notes? Hey, there's a new place. Oh, you're so close. Oh, okay. Just run. Ah, you're behind a tree, motherfucker. You can't go nowhere.
Here, bro. Here, bro.
Getting that we're not playing it?
Oh, just stay by the tree. Just stay there. Oh! Oh! Okay. Why am I in a house? I got 6! I got 6! No!
Nathan, please, come on, maintain yourself. I got it's a game.
Thanks for watching part 2. There might not be a part 3. God. I would get white noise if you like being scared. That's all I'm telling you. Thanks for watching. See you guys.